Is this Ruth?
Yeah, I'll be right down. God damn it!
Nice day, huh?
Yeah. Shove it up your ass!
Jeez, you okay?
I'm sorry. I have Tourette's syndrome, and it causes me to have these uncontrollable outbursts.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, you get used to it. Ball sweat! Anus! Anus liquor! You know, there are some places I can't go. Nipple biter!
What are you talking about? You barely notice it.
Scrotum! Sperm face! I just can't go near places like churches. Vulva! Elementary school. Jizz trap! Pretty much anywhere. Fart! Dildo! Big titties! Shit whore!
Hey, let's put the top up. I'll put on the air conditioning.